Hey everyone, welcome back to Strength Yourself. Today we've got something that's going to benefit each and every one of you. If you've ever struggled with getting a good night's sleep, you are in the right place. We're about to share some game changing tips to help you sleep like a baby. So let's jump right in. First thing first, why is sleep so important? Well, it's not just about feeling rested. Sleep impacts our physical and mental health in countless ways. It boosts your immune system, enhance memory, and even aid in weight management. So let's promosize those. Tip number one, create a bedtime routine. Just like kids, adult benefits from consistent routine too. Establish a relaxed pre-sleep ritual. It could be reading, gentle stretching, or warm bath. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Tip number 2, optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be your sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. And remember, no screen before bed. The blue light can disturb your sleep. Tip number 3, watch your diet. What you eat and drink can affect your sleep. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a light sleep promoting snack like a banana or a small bowl of oatmeal. Tip number 4, stay active. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality. But remember, don't work out too close to bedtime as it may have the opposite effects. Tip number 5, manage stress. Stress and anxiety are common sleep disruptors. Try relaxation technique like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga to calm your mind before bed. Tip number 6, limit screen time. The blue light from screen can mess with your sleep cycle. So power down those devices at least an hour before bed. And finally, tip number 7, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body internal clock. So, use these tips to help you achieve those restful nights you deserve. Remember, good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthy life. So, give these tips a try and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Thanks for joining us today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, sweet dreams and good night.